In the realm of acquiring foreign citizenship, several avenues exist. The more traditional routes encompass naturalization through time, descent, or even marriage. Yet, in contemporary times, the notion of obtaining citizenship through investment has gained considerable traction. A growing number of affluent individuals are now opting for this pathway to secure a second passport. This endeavour offers a myriad of exclusive benefits, including global mobility, facilitation of business transactions, attractive tax incentives, or simply an avenue to fully immerse oneself in the lifestyle or retire in a specific nation. The nations featured in this presentation have crafted some of the most accessible avenues for acquiring secondary citizenship. These pathways predominantly comprise direct investment or investment-related residency programs. It's important to distinguish between direct citizenship by investment and citizenship through residency by investment. For instance, countries offering direct citizenship by investment programs could expedite the attainment of citizenship in a matter of months. In contrast, jurisdictions providing citizenship through residency stipulate a specific duration of residency. The 10 countries highlighted in this compilation each carry their own set of advantages and drawbacks. Nonetheless, they are all ranked according to the minimal investment required. Number 10. Greece. Greece's historical legacy, captivating culture, and enchanting islands make it a sought-after destination for investors and retirees. While Greece doesn't offer direct citizenship by investment, its Golden Visa residency program requires a clear criminal record and investment in designated real estate projects. Although the investment threshold is anticipated to rise, those who succeed can qualify for citizenship after maintaining residency for 7 years, unlocking the opportunity for European mobility. Number 9. Cambodia. Cambodia's citizenship by investment initiative remains relatively unknown globally and is primarily sought by Chinese nationals. To achieve Cambodian citizenship, a minimum donation of $250,000 to the economy or a $300,000 investment in authorized projects is required. While there are concerns about transparency and benefits, this program provides a specific avenue for targeted investors. Number 8. Anguilla. As a British territory in the Caribbean, Anguilla offers a golden visa pathway for permanent residency. An investment of $180,000 in an approved government program paves the way for this residency, although it doesn't lead directly to citizenship. However, after 5 years of residency, genuine ties to Anguilla can pave the way for British overseas territory citizenship. Number 7. Grenada. Known for its pristine beaches, lush landscapes, and Caribbean charm, Grenada offers a swift and cost-effective citizenship by investment program, starting at $150,000. This program grants access to visa-free travel to over 140 countries, making it an attractive option for those seeking international mobility. Number 6. St. Kitts and Nevis. Pioneering the concept of citizenship by investment since 1984, St. Kitts and Nevis has maintained a robust and cost-effective program. With a minimum investment of $150,000, investors gain access to visa-free travel to over 140 countries, positioning it as a favored choice for those prioritizing global mobility. Number 5. Antigua and Barbuda. Admired for their stunning beaches, Antigua and Barbuda extend the benefits of their citizenship through an investment program to family members. With an investment required of approximately $140,000, this Caribbean destination provides a well-established pathway to a second passport. Number 4. Costa Rica. Despite its unexpected inclusion, Costa Rica's unique residency program sets the stage for eventual citizenship. An investment of $100,000 in real estate, forestry projects, or local businesses opens doors to permanent residency. This serene retirement haven marries a tranquil lifestyle with a relatively low cost of living. Number 3. Vanuatu. Nestled in Oceania, Vanuatu's citizenship by investment program necessitates a minimum investment of around $130,000. While its EU visa-free access has faced suspension, the program remains attractive for those seeking a Pacific Island passport and potential future benefits. Number 2. Dominica. As the nature island, Dominica's well-established citizenship by investment program dates back to 1984, With a minimum investment of $110,000, it stands as one of the world's longest-running and popular programs. The combination of affordability and numerous perks, including visa-free travel to over 150 countries, has contributed to its sustained appeal. Number 1. St. Lucia. With breathtaking landscapes and visa-free access to over 140 countries, St. Lucia's Citizenship by Investment program takes the spotlight. With an investment requirement of approximately $100,000, it emerges as a compelling choice for individuals seeking both a Caribbean lifestyle and enhanced international mobility. Exploring these diverse citizenship by investment programs offers a world of possibilities for those seeking a second passport and the privileges it brings. Remember, while these programs provide unique opportunities, careful consideration and thorough research are essential before embarking on this transformative journey. Whether it's the cultural richness of Greece or the tranquil Caribbean charm of St. Kitts and Nevis, each destination presents its own tapestry of experiences waiting to be woven. I hope this comprehensive guide has shed light on the multitude of pathways available, empowering you to make an informed choice that aligns with your aspirations and dreams. My name is Josh from World Unleashed. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.